Hi, if you're a builder in the UK, then I really recommend that you just watch this short video. I just wanted to explain that I was also a builder for the past 32 years, and one of the hardest jobs I actually found was pricing jobs up, which used to take up so much time. And then the next problem would be generating a shopping list and getting quotes from builders merchants, and then waiting for them, and then that used to just be a long process. Then by the time you get that, then you've got to input all that information into a spreadsheet, present the spreadsheet, and then you had to do a schedule of works, then you had to do a JCT contract form, then you had your method statements. So what I've done is I've put all of my 32 years of knowledge into an app which I use myself now to price jobs up, and it literally does save me 8 to 10 hours of work per week. I built it for the purpose of myself initially, and I've tested it on multiple projects, and it's very, very good and very accurate. So if you're in the building trade, let me explain how it works. You literally take your floor plan, you upload it into the app, you press enter, and then once you've done that, and the first thing you do have to do, by the way, is you put your own company details and your company logo in, and you only do that once. Once you've actually done that, then what the app does, it's like magic. It creates you a cover letter. It also gives you a 12-page method statement for each trade. It gives you a 70 or 80-page spreadsheet based on the size of your project. So it essentially does 40,000 calculations, and in this spreadsheet it works out every nut, bolt, screw, how many square meters of plasterboard, tape, plasterboard tape, bags of skim, bags of dab, how many stud partition parts you need, stud partition screws, floor joists, floor hangers, floorboards, ceiling joists, insulation, basically anything and everything, skirting boards, architraves, bathroom fittings. It'll tell you exactly how many bits of pipe you need, how many bits of 15mm copper, how many elbows, how many T's, how many couplers, how many isolating valves. It goes on and it works out all of your junction boxes, your back boxes, plasterboard mattresses, light switches, 1-gang, 2-gang, cable types, 1.5, 2.5, switch cable, earth cable, consumer unit, how many breakers, breaker types. It just goes on, the list literally goes on. I don't want to make this video too long, but I do recommend that you check out the link in the description below. Visit the website. There's like a free trial run, so you can go all the way through the process, and then you will have to make a small payment. It's only £9.99, which is very, very cheap. In future there'll be an onboarding cost of £250, but for this year and all the way up till December, I'm keeping it at this price. The main reason is that I want feedback from you guys as well as builders, and I want to make this the best app in this AI space ever. I'm here to help you guys at every step of the way, and there is a support email if you do ever get stuck, and I always respond to my emails. So please do give it a try. You will be grateful. I can't think of a better way to price jobs up in 2026. Okay, take care, and wish you all the best.